You have metal in your mouth, meaning your breath might be a little tart, okay?
I'm ready to do what I do. Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot cause I'm bulletproof.
Can you play that again?
Purge. Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. Last minute pics to the island. Drip, 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 when sliding. Dip, 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 dip.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Jazmine Iyana and I am back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the do's and don'ts of braces. The do's: always keep a little spoolie. I wish I had one nearby so I can show y'all how little it is, but keep a little spoolie on deck, okay? This is for after you eat. After you eat anything, to get the food out your teeth and all that good stuff. Always keep a toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash, okay? You have braces, meaning you have metal in your mouth, meaning your breath might be a little tart, okay? So always keep a toothbrush, toothpaste, and mouthwash in your bag. That way after you eat, anytime you eat something, you can brush your mouth and go back with fresh breath. Always floss, okay? You don't want to go somewhere and you in somebody's face and you smiling and you got food still in your teeth. Floss it out, honey. Follow the dentist orders, the orthodontist orders, and floss, okay? You should be following your dentist orders by flossing anyways, but floss. Always go to your appointments. Do not miss your appointments, okay? Don't miss your appointments. Your appointments are very important. If you miss your appointments, you're prolonging your process. So instead of getting your braces off in 14 months, now you have to get them off in 16 months because you've missed an appointment, okay? If you have rubber bands, make sure you wear your rubber bands for the amount of time that you are being told to wear your rubber bands. That note is for me too, because honey, I'm supposed to be wearing rubber bands right now while I'm recording this video and I don't have them in. So yeah, but I'm gonna put them in after this, after I finish recording my video, whatever the case may be. So yeah, but always wear your rubber bands for the amount of time that your orthodontist suggests that you wear your rubber bands. Y'all, please do not attempt to try to eat anything hard. Please do not attempt to eat things that you're not supposed to be eating, such as like caramel or candy with caramel, or popcorn or anything hard, because I promise you, you will be upset at the fact that you broke a bracket. And that's not a good feeling at all, okay? I don't have my notes in front of me, so I'm kind of like winging it off the top of my head, but I really think that's it. So yeah, the do's and don'ts of braces. Do what you gotta do so your braces can come off when they need to come off. And if you don't do what you gotta do, they're gonna stay on a little bit longer. So yeah, but that was that. Real nice, short, sweet, simple video about the do's and don'ts of braces. And if y'all want more videos about braces, a braces update, let me know and I'll give y'all that. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, bye besties.